Hello guys, welcome back to AU Matrix. In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect your MongoDB database to a Node.js project. I have already set up a basic Node.js project. If you haven't seen that video yet, check the description for the link. Alright, let's get started. To connect MongoDB, we first need a MongoDB connection string. I have already installed MongoDB on my local machine, so I'll be connecting to my local database for this demo. If you want a video on how to download and install MongoDB properly, just comment Mongoose below and I'll make a complete setup tutorial for you. Now let's jump into the code. To connect our MongoDB, we first need a package called Mongoose. We'll install that first. npm i mongoose, and meanwhile we'll create one folder called config, and inside that folder we'll create a file database.js. In this file, we'll import our installed Mongoose. Const mongoose is equal to require mongoose. So we'll create one async function. Const connect database is equal to async, and here we go. And we'll return one promise, return mongoose dot connect. To connect, we need a connection string, and I have written a connection string in the env file. So MongoDB //localhost and the database name called YouTube. This localhost means I am connecting to my local database. So let's back to code and we'll import that here process.env.mongo and we'll handle this promise dot then a callback function. If everything went good, we'll return this database connected successfully. If something went wrong, we'll catch that error callback function, and we'll log error while connecting to database, and we'll print that error here with the semicolon, and we'll export this function by using module.exports. So we have to call this function in our server.js file before our application starts. So means before our application listens, we need to call that function. So I'm going to create here one asynchronous function because this is also an asynchronous function. To call this function, we need another asynchronous function. So async function start application, and we don't need any parameters. So we'll call here await in the database. So we'll import, we have imported that, and we'll run our application inside this function itself, and we'll call the start application function. We'll await here, no need of await. So this is it, we have set up everything here. Your Node.js app is now successfully connecting to MongoDB. We'll check first. npm run done. Yeah, database connected successfully. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to AU Matrix for more Node.js and backend tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.